expenses. Purchases, closing stock, debtors, factory rent. Why? No, closing stock. Rest come in TD or trading account. The debtors come in balance sheet. Capital, bills payable, debtors, outstanding wages. Why? बाकी सब liability है ये asset. Advertisement, traveling expense, factory rent and insurance. Why? The rest are P&L debit and this is trading debit. Mila? Hello? Hello. Cash in hand, debtors, outstanding income and reserve for doubtful debts. Reserve for doubtful debts. Yeah. Why? Others are assets, reserve for doubtful debts. Actually a liability, but as for presentation we subtract from debtors. Remember? Agree, disagree. Reserve for bad debts is created by debiting P&L account. Very good. What is the journal entry for creating reserve for doubtful debts? RDD create करने का entry. Adjustment entry. Journal entry of RDD. Anyone? RDD का debtor से कोई लेना देना है ही नहीं. It's P&L to RDD. It's P&L to bad debt की entry है bad debt to debtor. RDD की entry क्या है P&L to RDD. P&L debit loss बढ़ा और RDD liability बढ़ा. Is it clear? So P&L to RDD. All of you got that? Hello. Next is what? Balance sheet is a statement as well as an account. Disagree, bro. What it is? Statement. Indirect expenses are debited to trading account. Disagree, they go to P&L. Bank overdraft is declared as internal liability. Disagree, it's an external liability. Capital is excess of liabilities over assets. Disagree, it is assets over liabilities. Cancel and rewrite. Balancing figure of trading account is net profit or net loss. False. It is gross profit or gross loss. All direct expenses are debited to P&L. Trading account. That's wrong. When the credit side of P&L is greater than debit, it's called net loss. Credit is greater than debit, it's called net loss. It's called net profit. Capital to profit and loss account. That is the entry of net profit being done. ये last दो है ना 4 और 5. ये आपको next lecture में clear होंगे. On Saturday, on Thursday, I'll be teaching you the journal proper part. That is opening entry, adjustment entry and closing entry. सब detail में clear होगा. Calculate the following पे आ जाओ. पहला part calculate capital. कैसे करोगे? How will you calculate the capital? Assets minus liabilities. Second one, all of you notebook में please calculate. I'll give you 10 minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5. ये आ सकता है एग्जाम में एबीटी में भी आ सकता है. इज्जत से करो. 2, 3, 4, 5. पहला वाला कैपिटल कितना आ रहा है? फिगर किसने किया? एसेट माइनस लायबिलिटी. हाउ मच इट इज दैट? हेलो. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट माइनस लायबिलिटी चेक? कितना आ रहा है? हाँ, capital 39950 is the capital. Please check. मिला 39950 मिला capital. हेलो माइनस करके बोलो. कैपिटल 35, 65, 75, 80, 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 39950. 60050. 60050. पहले वाले का आंसर है 60050. 2, 3, 4, 5 कैलकुलेट करो ध्यान से फटाफट. I'll discuss that. हेलो. Come on. Second, third, fourth, fifth. ध्यान से करो.
Depreciation equity. 7 4 can price 40,000 per annum. So insurance that is not that. 31 July 1 July 5 July 9 अच्छा
ट्राई डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, सब डिस्कस करूंगा, ट्राई करो खुद से। हाँ थोड़ा पिक्स एडिट करके आ रहे हैं शो चलो guys, करो डिस्कस। See the second one। हो गया सबका? Wait। I discuss।
black or white
चलो check the answers. Second one का देखो पहले. Machinery of 3500 is purchased on 1st July, saving 4500 on installation. Provider depreciates it at the rate of 7%. Calculate depreciation. So I think 40,000 पे 7% for 9 months. 2100. 2100. Villa. Pramod borrowed a loan from State Bank of India on 1st October. Rate of interest 12%. Interest on bank loan assuming 31st March year ending. So 350 का 12% for 6 months. 21,000. पहला 2100, दूसरा 21,000. Annual insurance premium 8,000 is paid on 1st December. Calculate the amount of insurance premium for the year ended 31st March. Prepaid नहीं पूछा है. पूछा कि इस साल में कितना आएगा. तो आपने एनुअल इंश्योरेंस मतलब 12 महीने का पे किया. 12 महीने का कितना है? 8,000. कब पे किया है? 1 दिसंबर 18 को. तो मतलब इस साल मार्च एंडिंग है तो दिसंबर, जैन, फेब, मार्च. Only 4 months fall in this year. Rest of 8 months fall in the next year. So can I say out of 8,000 only 4 months belong to this year? 1/3. That's 2,667.
Yeah.
Calculate. Simple છે. જો તમારું insurance for 12 months is 8,000. But these 12 months are not from April to March. These 12 months are from December to December. मतलब 1st December to 30th November का 12 महीने. आपने पॉलिसी 1st दिसंबर को ली. तो पॉलिसी अगर 1st दिसंबर को ली थी तो सॉरी इस साल में कितना प्रीमियम भरना था आपको पता है? सिर्फ 4 महीनों का. दिसंबर, जैन, फेब, मार्च. गेटिंग दैट? Only 4 months का you are supposed to pay, but you paid it for 12 months. So out of 12 months, prepaid नहीं पूछा है. आपको पूछा कि इस साल का कितना इंश्योरेंस है. Read the question. हाँ, तो माइनस प्रीपेड या फिर डायरेक्टली 4 months का लो ना. 8 महीने के जगह 4 महीने का लो. So that is 266. This is not prepaid. इस साल का 8 महीना प्रीपेड है. तो प्रीपेड नहीं पूछा है. पूछा इस साल का कितना. अबे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 8,000 into 4/12. 12 महीने 8,000 है तो 4 महीने कितना 1/3 हुआ. समझा? 8,000 into 4/12 1/3 बराबर है. 266.66 आएगा. 2667 आएगा. बोलो समझा ये वाला? All of you? Final answer ये 266. We are not supposed to calculate any prepaid part. Hello? Suna? Now, calculate gross profit or gross loss. Purchase, sales, carriage inward opening. छोटा सा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बना के ढूंढ सकते हो. 26,800. That will be stop. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, एक ही लेक्चर में पूरा कंसेप्ट खत्म होने वाला है. ओपनिंग, क्लोजिंग, एडजस्टमेंट, एंट्री. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेक्चर. सीए पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, कंसेप्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, 12th स्टैंडर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. एब्सेंट मत रहना. हाँ.